my name is Hannah and I'm a teacher from Twinkl. Would you like to read a story with me? This story is called The Zoo Vet. On Monday, George the giraffe visited the vet. He had a sore throat. The vet gave George some medicine and a scarf to wrap around his neck. Thanks to the vet, the patient soon began to feel much better. On Wednesday, Cam the chameleon visited the vet. He had a temperature. The vet put a cool flannel on Cam's head and gave him plenty of water to drink. Thanks to the vet, the patient soon began to feel much better. On Thursday, Eric the elephant visited the vet. He had a bad cold. The vet gave Eric a big hanky and a hot water bottle. Thanks to the vet, the patient soon began to feel much better. On Friday, Tori the tiger visited the vet. She had a thorn stuck in her paw. The vet pulled the thorn out of Tori's paw and wrapped it in a bandage. Thanks to the vet, the patient soon began to feel much better. Oh no! On Saturday, it was the vet who was feeling poorly. On Sunday, he put some cream on his spots and got plenty of rest. And soon began to feel much better. I hope you enjoy the activities that go along with this story. See you again soon.